what tools we will be required. In previous video we have discussed that what are the core learning we can go with that actually. In this video, hi, my name is Akash, and today in this video I will be going to guide you with the installations, what are the prerequisites required to get started into data analysis. Okay, what are the prerequisite approach we required, I will be going to discuss in this video. Okay, so by now you should know the syntax of the Python, okay, including things, variable, comparison operators. Okay, comparison operator you should know, functions, loops, lists. You don't have to be an expert in Python, but if you have some basic knowledge, that will gives you become most smoother. So you don't have to be complicated, because programming is only telling that computer what needs to be done, only telling the computer what needs to be done. The computer should be then able to understand and successfully execute and what needs to be done. Okay, execute your instruction. You might just need to write a few lines of code, you just need to write few lines of a code to suit your application. Many of the things you will do for the Python for data analysis are already written or pre-built for you. In many cases you might just have to be copy and execute the code. Okay, but don't get lazy. Try to copy one line, basic stuffs, line the copy and paste. Try to execute the code in the Python interpreter. Okay, Python interpreter, how you can install. I will be going through the next approach. I will laying you foundation what you should do to learn Python programming language. If you don't have a basic knowledge of the Python also, I will guide you with that actually. Okay, so in the next now I will be going to teach you how you should you install the softwares to do the data analysis. Install the softwares to execute to develop an applications in Python. Develop the applications in Python. Okay, develop the application in Python. Okay, so let's take any browser. Okay, take any browser of your choice. Try to Google it. Okay, any of the browser. Okay, take the browser of your choice. Okay, take the browser of your choice, type Python free download. First of all, you have to download Python interpreter, so you have to tell Python free download. Okay, some internet have not connected to that. Okay, 1 minute. Not downloaded, so just I will connect to my internet, because some internet connection issues are there. 1 minute, will connect to my data connections, then I will be walk you through that.
सिर्फ हॉल देगा खाने का सब बनाने का सामान देगा, नहीं देगा, कुछ नहीं, सब बर्तन नहीं देगा, नहीं सिर्फ रूम देगा 35,000। अच्छा, इधर सब देगा, आपको बनाने का चीज सब देगा, किचन का 1 लाख रुपया है 35। इधर अभी मेरा डीएल लॉक किया ना,
okay, Python free download. Go here, you will be getting to see Python release for Windows. Okay, Python 3.8 Windows installer you will be getting. Okay, click on the OK, the download will be starting. Okay, download will start. Wait up till it will download will complete. Don't cancel the download software. Okay, first download it, open it like this, and modify. Don't do this. I will be guiding you through that shit only. Okay, don't uninstall, don't do that. I will be repairing. You have to install. Here the option you will be getting install. You have to do it. I'm again reinstalling this software. Okay, I have the software which is installed in my system. Okay, I don't want to uninstall this software. Okay, Python 3.8.10. Why it is not stable version, so that I am using 3.8 version. Okay, install that. Wait up till the Python installation is installing. Okay, so I will be to walk you through up till when the installation is completed. Okay, we'll pause this video. I will come back after installation is complete. Just I have completed the installation. After the installation, close this window. Okay, check this installation. Check this installation by typing Python 3.8. You will be getting this interpreter that indicates that you have successfully installed the Python interpreter. After that, you have to install, if you want to do the additional libraries, if you want, no. So that purpose, if you want to do the data analysis part, you have to install another software, that is Anaconda IDE. Anaconda, type only Anaconda. So you will be getting here. So individual edition Anaconda. Here, download it. Here the download option you are seeing, no. Download this. Just choose the location where you want to install. Desktop. I am choosing the desktop as a location to download. Then save it. Then start the download it. The installation will be starting. I will wait up till
कॉटन साड़ी बहुत, मेरा घर में ये साड़ी बहुत चलता है।
up till I will wait up till the download. I will be stopping this installation because I have already installed. Okay, first I will wait up till the installation is completed, then I will be walk you through how you can install this thing. This is a portal where you can download the setup file for the Anaconda. Okay, after Anaconda you will be getting the setup file. Okay, you will be getting the setup file, then you will be getting the setup file. After that, type here Anaconda. Okay, Anaconda, Jupyter Notebook and Anaconda prompt will be getting, and you will be getting the Anaconda navigator. You will be opening this thing. Okay, after opening that, you will be getting some prompt. Okay, this prompt you will be getting, and it will be loading parallelly. Okay, it will be loads parallelly. Adding featuring channels, that will be loading. Wait a minute, while the time it will be loading, I will be stop this video. Okay, these are the varieties of the softwares that you can install here also, and you can also create a virtual environment here. Okay, environment, go to the environments. Okay, yeah, it is taking too much loading time. Okay, 1 minute time. Yes, today this you will be getting the Anaconda navigator. Anaconda navigator, here you will be getting the create. If you create an environment, this is a virtual environment, you can create it. Okay, you can give the environment has something. Why we have to create the virtual environment? That if we get any updates, that should not conflict any to our project files, so we will be creating a virtual environments. Okay, so that's all about this video. I have shown you how you can install Python interpreter and as well as the Anaconda navigator, Anaconda IDE, so that you can get all the tools necessary for the data analysis. Okay, that's all about this video, guys. In the next video I will be discussing about mathematics expertise necessary, that I will be giving you when discussing what you have to discuss about that thing. Okay, that's all about this, guys.